Hey, it's me, Anubhav, back with another video. So today I have with me the Boatstone 700. So I thought, why not do a sound test of it? So let's see how it sounds. Well, first I have to power it on, of course. Let's do that.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
With my phone, let me see. Yeah. So let's play a track with it. What should I play?
You're now connected to Boatstone 700.
Okay, I connected already. As you can see. And let's turn this on. Not now. And go to library. Here I should have something I can play. Maybe not here. It should be here. There. Now let's see how it sounds. A bit slow internet.
And have their heads put on display. Are you ready to apologize? Are you ready to grovel at my feet and beg for forgiveness?
If living means bowing down to the likes of you bastards, I'd rather die on my feet with my head held high.
Wow, it is shaking. So let's try something else more bass here. Yeah, let's try this. This should work out. High expectations. Let's give it a bit. Okay, so there's my word. I was quite happy with this performance. It is a real pleasure to listen to. The bass was just amazing. It was deep, filled with goodness. That's just a joke. It came out wrong. It was really deep bass. Thanks to the passive radiator, it's even better. Well, the sound was just great. For a speaker of this size, I mean, it's awesome. It's worth your money. 3,000 rupees. What's the matter? Just pay it. It's worth it. Well, I don't know what you think, but it's okay. I loved it. But this is the end of the video. Bye.